Hello everybody, it's February 10th in coastal Connecticut here, and we just got dumped on by Mother Nature about 2 feet, 2.5 feet, it's hard to tell with all the drifts. Spent all yesterday with my Ariens tractor plowing everything here that you see plowed. Managed to get the cars out. My Dodge Cummins turbo diesel has a fuel gelled. I was trying to move that, but it won't run, so I got some heaters on it. Trying to move that. And we have a little loop in our driveway. I didn't do the loop yet, so I figured I'd make a little video of that. It took until 10 o'clock yesterday morning for the town to come by and actually plow the road. Hadn't even been plowed through the night. I don't know why. Here's the tractor. You've seen it before. It's got 75 pounds of wheel weights on each wheel. I took the pie weights off my Ford, and I had those lying around, so I put about 500 pounds of cast iron wheel weights in the weight box. I have the tires aired down. Worn out Kohler GT17 motor. Very bad rear main seal leak. It's leaking there a little bit. But I was working the hell out of this thing yesterday. I broke one of the connecting links in the tire chain. I used up an entire crankcase full of oil. Beat up the plow a little bit. I had to tighten up some bolts and nuts on it. But it's still running. Here's where I'm plowing. I hope the sun and the white snow isn't overexposing everything. Right here, you can see how deep the snow is, possibly. That's my knee right there. That's knee deep, and I'm not even really touching the ground yet. Luckily, there's a hard, crunchy, icy layer that I'm walking on. The icy slush came down around, I think, 6 or 7 o'clock at night. So let me see if I can get this set up. I'll do a little bit of plowing for you. That's some deep snow. But hope you could see something, and you probably could see me sink into the snow too when I try to walk on it. It's pretty deep, and I'm about 6 feet tall, so gives you an idea how much snow we got. But yeah, it's a little tedious, and I gotta do a lot of forward, reverse, and everything, pile everything up like I was. I can't just push straight through because it's just too much snow. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye bye. Come back for more later.